The do's and don'ts of why bother with video marketing. Marketing gets very complicated so that you can't separate your systems. Because video marketing is growing ever more prevalent. Undoubtedly, it is one of the newest additions to your promotion toolbox. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about why bother with video marketing. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. It is all over the internet. It is the answer to your desire to succeed in your marketing efforts. Online marketing provides marketers the opportunity they require. Social media marketing gives you more bang for your buck. Choosing good. Why bother with video marketing? The very first item on the advertising manager's agenda ought to be to define what the product offers or its distinctive selling proposition (USP). Over time, marketing managers have felt that the conventional advertising and marketing mix has its limitations in how it's structured. A mature, intelligent and advanced advertising and marketing manager has to be at the helm of the advertising mix. The hidden gem of why bother with video marketing. The marketing mix is an essential tool to help understand what the service or product can offer and the way to plan for a prosperous product offering. It is a fluid and flexible concept, and the focus on any one variable may be increased or decreased given unique marketing conditions and customer requirements. It is made up of 4 unique variables. An effective marketing and advertising mix can indicate the difference between a flash-in-the-pan product or one which is bound to be a well-loved classic. Video and mobile go together. When you've decided what videos it is possible to use, identify the ideal location to put them that will connect with your intended audience. Create a video to demonstrate the way that it works. A video is a good tool for learning, but additionally, it is super easy to consume. Videos let you boost the time spent by visitors on your website. Attempt to know the men and women who you wish to watch your videos. If you're not well prepared to, you can want to stay with pre-recorded video. If you wish to fully realize video's potential, you must make it simple for users to locate and share it. Videos require your attention to facing a screen. If you're committing to video in the lengthy term, give ownership of video oversight to a single individual inside your enterprise. A startling fact about why bother with video marketing. Uncovered. In any event, word-of-mouth marketing can aid your business to grow. You require something which is likely to make your company stand apart from others so that people are drawn towards it. If you own a company, you want to have a really good social networking strategy. The argument about why bother with video marketing. Since content is created as you cooperate, you aren't going to be chained to a single style if it's not working. There will always be a location for text content, but a lot of individuals enjoy video content. You're able to give away content like an ebook or a course to construct your email list. When measuring how engaging a website is, it is important to center on the website in place of the company in our survey. To begin with, you can examine how many times each user visits the website. Although it's simple to track, the kind of site will heavily influence the data. Without one, you might as well not have a site. Websites have a lovely present of creativity. The EU IPO website is also a superior supply of other info on trademarks in Europe. The upside to why bother with video marketing. If you're inside network marketing and you just aren't seeing the type of results you hoped for, it's a very good possibility that it's because you require aid with your vision. Search engine promotion is generally accomplished via the use of SEO, or search engine optimization. It gets very complicated, so you cannot separate your systems. Video marketing is all around the internet. Social media marketing using video on social networking websites like a piece of your online marketing strategy is an amazing method of engaging and connecting with untapped audiences and possible customers. Your content strategy has been made. A steady advertising strategy is important whether you prefer to remain relevant, and should you need your clients to have confidence in your brand. Depending on the audience identified and the price points established, the advertising communication strategy is now able to be developed. Marketing to women can help you build share. Online marketing provides marketers the opportunity they want. Social media marketing will provide you with more bang for your buck. Actually, online advertising has gotten so sophisticated it can interrupt an individual's experience online and individually target users. Video advertising is getting more and more affordable and widespread. In any event, word-of-mouth marketing can assist your business to grow. In addition, video content marketers want to get a good comprehension of metrics, and the way in which they indicate a video's success and areas for improvement. Because video marketing is growing ever more prevalent, undoubtedly, it is one of the newest additions to your promotion toolbox. With Content Samurai, you can make video real estate marketing in a couple of minutes. For the eventual introduction of the item, the organization required to come up with a balanced and appropriate advertising mix to attract its young audience. It has also maintained a strong social media presence on popular social media networks. Aviation Advertising Consulting is a talented group of experienced advertising and marketing professionals who offer a wide selection of skills and expertise they use to publicize your aviation company. Therefore, if you're seriously interested in content marketing, you have to be serious about video, too. The very first item on the advertising manager's agenda ought to be to define what the product offers or its distinctive selling proposition, USP. Over time, marketing managers have felt that conventional marketing and advertising mix has its limitations in how it's structured. Mature, intelligent and advanced marketing and advertising manager has to be at the helm of the advertising mix. How to get started with why bother with video marketing? Without one, you might as well not have a site. The EU IPO website is also a very good supply of other details on trademarks in Europe. Given that getting found online is the principal outcome you will need to attain in your online advertising efforts. Not utilizing online video marketing is similar to tying one hand behind your back. As a consequence, the World Wide Web has developed into the most open, useful supply of information on the planet. Just because it's possible to make content, doesn't indicate you should. There will always be a location for text content, but a lot of folks enjoy video content. Promoting existing content looks like a challenge for a number of brands. Since it is created as you go along, you will not be chained to one style if it is not working. Just slapping your content into the website is not going to get the business done. Repurposing your content is the secret to success. You're able to give away content like an ebook or course to construct your email list. Whispered why to bother with video marketing secrets. If you wish to fully realize video's potential, you must make it simple for users to locate and share it. Video and mobile go together. Create a video to demonstrate the way that it works. A video is an excellent tool for learning, but in addition, it is super easy to consume. Videos require your attention before a screen. If you're not ready to, you might want to stay with pre-recorded video. Inside the below video you're likely to learn 3 distinct methods to assist you and your videos do the very best job possible at generating MLM leads. Videos permit you to boost the time spent by visitors on your website. It has been rarely used in email marketing in the past due to embedding problems and other niggling issues. SEO video is an excellent ally to any online advertising campaign. The marketing mix is a vital tool to help understand what the service or product can offer and the way to plan for a prosperous product offering. It is a fluid and flexible concept, and the focus on any one variable may be increased or decreased given unique marketing conditions and customer requirements. It is made up of 4 unique variables. An effective advertising mix can indicate the difference between a flash-in-the-pan product or one which is bound to be a well-loved classic. Thanks for watching my video about why bother with video marketing. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.